K&J magnetics for $15.95. I like these a lot because, or versus the other ones online, because these actually have the magnets in the plastic housing versus just glued to the top or the bottoms of them. Let's see how well they work. They stick really nicely. These are the ones we were using before. Even the little ones will hold a single thing all by itself. This thing holds really well. So even the small ones are probably sufficient enough. These are great for holding really big and heavy things. I got a bunch of menus here. Seems like 1, 2, 3, 4 menus. Let's see the small one. No, small one. That's up there. Small one will do 2. Not 2 menus. So it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 menus. Easy. 8 menus. 9. Yeah, about 9 menus or so. I'm not sure if you put more than one. It'll definitely hold. That's it. Love them. They're great.